Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be sharing with you another unboxing video from Fashionphile. Yes, I did already open this box up because I wanted to make sure everything was pristine, but let's go ahead and get into the unboxing so that way I can spend more time sharing with you what the item is that I got. Alright, so of course we have the Fashionphile bag, and then so I actually repackaged this myself for this video. That's not how it came. If you've ever purchased anything from Fashionphile, you know that they usually put these bags in the bag. But I want to show you, got a Chanel bag here. So there we go. So the bag I got, it's a pretty good sized bag. It's the beige jumbo. So I know before I said I didn't want a jumbo because they're just too big, but I was at a store, I tried it on, I was starting to feel a little bit more comfortable with it, and so I had to go for it. So like I said, this one is the beige, it's the beige clear, caviar, and gold hardware. It is pre-loved via Fashionphile, obviously, and it is the double flap, giant pocket in the back. I'm like flinging this little tag around. So yes, double flap in here, and then a nice big compartment inside. Oh, I don't have any scissors in here. I want to just cut this off so I can show you guys a little bit better. We'll make do. This unboxing was just so unplanned. Alright, so we have the nice long chain, and the reason why I went ahead and changed my mind on this was I can wear it like this if I want to, but I was seeing a lot of videos and reviews and stuff where people just tied the chain up in the middle here, so they would just take it like this, and then just put like a ribbon, and then that makes this one shorter. And I was like, you know, that's actually not a bad idea. With a few of my bags, I've been running into the issues where they just don't hold everything that I want them to, and then I have to switch everything out into a different bag or leave some stuff behind. So I figured as long as I have at least one nice good sized bag, if I need to carry extra stuff, this one is perfect. A lot of my Louis bags, they do hold plenty, especially the Speedies, the Neverfull, they hold a ton. But not so many of my Chanels, because I'll, you know, with the medium or the minis, they don't hold very much. I'm loving my 226 reissues. Those hold plenty, but sometimes you just need a little bit more. So that's what this bad boy is for. So this interior compartment is pretty good size. I can put my cell phone here and I am good to go there. What's great with this back pocket is it is large enough to fit a cell phone. So I actually carry two phones with me whenever I'm out and about, because I have my work phone and then my personal phone. So this would be perfect for one phone, and then that interior pocket on the outside here. This guy right here, that's perfect for my other phone. I think this will hold plenty. A huge debate is on which flap number to get. You can get the single flap, which they actually stopped making a few years ago, or the double flap here. I went with the double flap just because it does hold its structure a little bit more. The contention with the double flap, though, is that it is a bit heavier. So I am not planning on using this bag as like an 8-hour all-day shopping trip or a travel sightseeing bag, because that's just going to destroy my shoulder. But if I have to, you know, run to a store or go to the mall for a couple hours, I think this should be fine. Obviously, I have not tried that out yet, but fingers crossed that it will work out. What's also interesting is the top rivets are in a different location depending on which bag you get. So if you get the double, obviously they're going to be front and back like this, but if you get the single flap, the rivets are actually right next to each other here and here and here and there. And I really wanted the beige with the gold because first off, I think the silver and beige, it's just not my cup of tea. So if I was going to get beige, definitely get gold. I did take a look at the black caviar jumbo when I was in the store, and it just seemed like up here, it was just too much black and repetition, and I already have so many other black bags. I don't have any of the beige Claire. So I wanted to get this just to kind of mix it up in my collection, and I thought this was so beautiful. I was actually starting to lust after this bag after I saw it on Alexandria Garza's channel and Instagram. She always carries hers around, and I was like, oh, that is so cute. I want that. So I was able to fulfill that. I actually just did a video on bags I would love to steal from other influencers, YouTubers, Instagrammers, everybody like that. And so luckily I was able to fulfill this life goal, and I probably won't do all of the other ones, but that is what helped me make my decision on purchasing this one. And this one did come with the authenticity card, the dust bag. The only thing it didn't come with was the box, but that's okay. I don't need 50 billion boxes just in my room. So I'm totally okay with saving a little bit of money, because whenever they include the box, it actually jacks the price up a little bit more. So I'm okay with not getting the box, but at least I got everything else. Now, I got an amazing deal on this bag because, let me show you on the inside. So even though the outside and everything is this nice thick caviar, the inside portion, I can only assume is lambskin. It does feel a little bit softer, but there are some scratches all on the inside here. It's just on the inside, so it's not a super big deal. You can't see them when you're wearing it, but I think that is why this bag was a little bit less expensive than their counterparts typically are. So I am actually going to be doing a video trying to revamp all of these scratches and see what I can do to make it look a little bit newer and fresher. I know you guys love seeing restoration videos. So one of my Louis bags I did a whole cleaning video on, and that's one of your guys' favorite videos to watch. So I think I'm going to do that. The corners really are not that bad. There's a little bit of dirt. It's kind of dark, but there's nothing worn off on the actual leather itself. So that's good. So I think I'm just going to do like kind of a whole restoration. What do I do when I get a used bag that's not in perfect, pristine condition? And the process is a little bit different between a Louis Vuitton bag that is canvas and a Chanel leather bag. Now, there is a company called Leather Surgeons where you can send your Chanel bag to them. They can revamp it, make it look practically brand new. Well, depending on what's wrong with it, send it back to you. That, I actually had them quote me this. They didn't really give me an estimate for the interior scratches, but for the outside, they will undo the chain completely, like take off the leather, clean it, reweave it. That was about $300. So that's shipping each way, and then the actual process of cleaning. So I'm going to see what I can do myself. I did save enough to justify an additional $300 to get this all cleaned and revamped, and that would still probably be less than what you can pick these up for. But if I don't need to do that, I would prefer to go that route, just doing it myself. So stay tuned for that video. If you haven't done so already, please hit the subscribe button so you are notified whenever I upload new videos. If there's any particular video you want to see, let me know. If you like these unboxing videos or you have a suggestion on another bag I should get, let me know that too. I love hearing from you guys. Even if I don't always respond, I definitely go through all of the comments and read those. And I love reading what you guys have to say about the luxury community, fashion houses, and things like that. That pretty much does it for this unboxing of my new Jumbo. And until next time, thanks for stopping by.